The initial coin offering, ICO, is a fundraising method widely used in the universe of cryptocurrencies. This method is similar to the initial public offering, IPO, which is used by companies wishing to go public on the stock exchange. However, instead of issuing shares, companies carrying out an ICO issue tokens, which are units of value that function similarly to traditional currencies such as the dollar or the euro. ICOs have emerged as an alternative to traditional funding for companies in the technology sector. Instead of seeking funding from banks or angel investors, companies can run an ICO and sell tokens to the general public. This allows companies to raise funds in a faster and less bureaucratic way than traditional financing methods. The tokens issued in an ICO can have different functions. Some tokens entitle you to a share of the company's profits, while others can be used as currency within a given ecosystem. For example, a company that develops an online game might issue tokens that can be used to purchase in-game items. To carry out an ICO, the company must create a white paper, which is a document that details the project that will be financed with the resources obtained from the sale of tokens. The white paper should contain information about the team behind the project, the market in which the company operates, the objectives of the project, and how the resources obtained will be used. ICOs are carried out in several stages. The first step is the pre-sale, where the company offers the tokens at a lower price to attract investors. After the pre-sale, the tokens are offered to the general public. The sale of tokens can be carried out in a single step, or it can be divided into several steps, depending on the project. After selling the tokens, the company must use the funds obtained to develop the project described in the white paper. Tokens can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, and the price of tokens can fluctuate according to market supply and demand. ICOs have been the subject of criticism and controversy. Some critics argue that many ICOs are carried out by companies without a solid project, which use the ICO only as a way to obtain funds quickly. Furthermore, ICOs are poorly regulated, which can lead to fraud and scams. Despite the criticism, ICOs have been used by many successful companies. For example, blockchain company Ethereum held an ICO in 2014, where it sold ETH tokens for a total value of $18 million. Today, Ethereum is one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world, with a market cap of over $200 billion. In summary, the ICO is a fundraising method that has been used by companies in the technology sector. This method allows companies to obtain funds quickly and less bureaucratically than traditional financing methods. However, ICOs have also been the subject of criticism and controversy, due to the lack of regulation and the risk of fraud and scams.